Hi guys, this is from Modern Tickets. Today I am going to show you how to download and install God of War game in under 90 MB on Android device. So let's get started. First of all, go to Play Store and click PPSS PP emulator. So I have already installed this app. Go ahead and install this app. So and next install 7z zipper file. I also installed this app. You also go and install this app. Basically it extracts all the zip files or 7 zip files. So after downloading these two apps, what you have to do is go to any browser and just click God of War PPSPP gaming bay. So you can see after searching, you can see this first website. Go to this website. So under this website you can see God of War ISO download here. Click this one, download here option. You can see the file 93 MB file. Just click and download this one and just download the file. You can see the game is being downloaded here. I have already downloaded this file, so just I am pausing it right now. So next go to the place where you have downloaded. After downloading, see this is the file. Just click that file. After downloading, it says which app how it should be extracted. As we have downloaded this app, extract to this app. So give the path where the files has to be saved. I'm saving to the root. Click OK. It asks password. Click by gamer thing G and KR capital. Click OK. Now you can see the extraction has started. So it is done. Click close. What you have to do is click PPSSPP app. So this is how it looks, and this is how the internal memory looks after you open the app. Now go to the folder God of War. You can see here God of War 7. Before going into the game, let's see the settings. Here are the settings, and contains all the frame per seconds, all the you can decrease increase the width and height of the game screenplay settings. Now let's get into the game. Click this icon. So here it is. This is the game. So let's X to continue. New game, normal, X again. So let us see how the game plays.